You gotta keep your hands down though, Liv. You can't put it on your face. Yeah. Okay, now pull. Pull. Pull yourself. Good. A bigger one.
Okay.
Keep going. Big one.
Ooh. Getting closer.
Why are you giving up so quickly?
Come get me.
Go get Mom.
And guys, do you have a phone?
Sure. Come try to steal my phone.
Ready, set, go. And big one. Pull. Show me a big pull all together. Ready? Go. Big one. Bigger, bigger.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Oh, she can do bigger than that. She can do
Oh,
a big pull.
Let me see a really big one. Get over here.
Liv, show Mom how you do a big, big, giant one. Try. Try again. Hands down. Remember how we did bend your knee and pull it all together. Thank you. And another one. Bend your knee. Bend your leg. One more.
Ooh.
One more big one. Thank you. Good scoop.
That was so good.